So angle APB is equal to angle APB is equal to
60 degrees.
60 degrees. So then join AB. Angle PAB and angle PBA are equal to
60.
60. This is also 60 because PA is equal to PB. So therefore angle PAB is equal to angle PBA, that is equal to X. So X plus 60 is equal to 180. So 2X is equal to 120. X is equal to 60. So all angles are 60. Therefore triangle APB is equilateral triangle. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And remember it. Most importantly, remembering this chapter. If you don't remember, then if you solve 50 times also, you cannot you cannot solve an exam because you are not remembering the methods. The problem is there. And Gokul, try to write properly.
Okay.
You are not writing properly. That's the reason when you are going back, you have solved all these questions. Here also I have solved everything questions. So if you are solving those questions, you might have referred that. But you are not written it properly. How you will refer it? This is not a problem with you, everyone actually. And you have to work really very hard on your representation. After 17th?
Ma'am, I have doubt in 18th.
18th. So that means it is. Other doubts?
I have a 19.
Okay, 18, 19, 20th?
Me.
Yes, very, very good. 21st? No, that's 22nd?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I have doubt.
Very good. 23? No one has. Okay. 24?
Ma'am, I have.
Okay. 25?
Ma'am,
26?
ma'am,
Yes.
this is not about the doubt thing, ma'am. This is about the thing that you sent us a CBSE website thing, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, does this mean that these portions will not come for unit exam also?
It was properly told. These are deleted from this year portions.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
But your school teachers wants to take that, then I don't know. So you have to confirm with your school teachers. Board exams, those will not be there.
Ma'am, even the OJ part of that
Those are
statistics is also.
gone. Yes, step deviation also gone.
Yes.
That means you can't use step deviation.
No, you cannot use. Assume in method you have to use it now. Can't use, I don't think so. You can't use it. Just like Euclid's also in the first chapter, Euclid geometry, the first exercise is gone. So those all provings of the square. Even number is of the form 4q, 4q plus 2. Odd number of the form 4q plus 1, 4q plus 3. Those all questions gone.
So only HCF and LCM is going to come.
Yeah, HCF, LCM, irrational numbers.
I'm even
And
terminating and non-terminating.
non-terminating will be there. Only removed part is those provings only. Euclid's division lemma used to prove and finding values of m, x and y, linear combination were questions were there. So those have been removed. But HCF word problems will be there. There is no cutoff in that this HCF part. HCF word problems will be there. Only finding HCF by Euclid's division lemma will not be there. That is finding the linear combination if it is HCF is written in the form 65M plus 117N. Those parts have been removed. And the earlier proving part. Second chapter, only you have first exercise, second exercise, division algorithm gone. It's not there. Third chapter, cross multiplication method is not there. All other parts are there. Fourth, quadratic equation, word problems are not there. The only solving part will come from quadratic equations. AP chapter, everything is there except sum of an AP in that situational problems, that is word problems according to situation, that is potato race question, that logs question, house number questions, thief questions. So those have been removed. Triangles, 2 provings only removed, but all the portions are there. Only 2 provings of the theorems have been removed. Everything is there. Trigonometry, complementary angle part removed. And all others are there. There is no change in trigonometry, and application of trigonometry, no change. Circles, no change. Construction, similar triangle construction removed. Then surface area volume frustum has been removed. Coordinate geometry, area of the circle, area of a triangle, that is the third exercise of coordinate geometry has been removed. This one, step deviation method only. In statistic, only step deviation method they have removed. Probability, no.
Even cumulative frequency graph.
Ogives, yes, ogives also removed. Ogive graph has been removed.
Ma'am, in linear equation, nothing, right?
Linear equation, no. Cross multiplication method.
Okay.
1 or 2 questions, I think so. I have explained you. That is not so important. So I'm not emphasized much. That part is removed. But
I mean, introduction to geometry, this thing, trigonometry, motivate the ratio, something like that is more.
that is no, this one part. 0 and 90 degrees are not there now. Only 30, 45, and 60 degrees values you have. That means using the values of angles 30, 45, and 60. 0 and 90 is not there. 0 and 90 removed.
Ma'am, in quadratic equation, it was that completing the square method, that one, right?
That is removed already. That was already last year itself removed. And this year word problems have been removed. You don't have any word problems on quadratic equations now.
Ma'am, the T ratio table is not there. Right?
Trigonometric ratios for 30, 45, and 60 will be there. Only 0 and 90s have been removed.
Okay.
There is not much changes. Complementary angle part is completely removed. Okay, third exercise. Identities are there. All identities as it is. Application of trigonometry, no changes. Circles also there is no change. Construction, similar triangle construction removed. So only you have tangent construction. Okay. Frustum part, it's much more complicated one, that is removed. Not complicated, actually much more lengthier calculations. Surface area, quadrant geometry, last part. Area of triangles part removed. Okay, come back. So two tangent segments P and PB are drawn to a circle with center O. Angle APB is 120. This full angle is 120 degrees. Prove that OP is equal to 2AP. This value is 2AP. What has to be done? Who has solved?
Am I solved?
Yeah. Tell me.
Ma'am, that's 90 degree, and I mean OAP is 90 degree, and OPA will be 60 degree.
How?
Ma'am, because both these tangents are, I mean, like
No, congruency. Prove this by congruency.
inclined equal.
Yeah, that is not a theorem. So
SSS.
therefore we cannot use SSS criteria. Prove these two triangles are congruent, and therefore directly write. No need to prove it. Directly you can write triangle OAP is congruent to triangle OBP by SSS congruency, and then
And we don't need to prove it.
no need to prove. Angle APO is equal to angle BPO by CPCT. No, for school prove it. And it's for a board is not needed. School again they will cut marks for that. So therefore angle APO is equal to 60 degrees. So this is 60. Then
And then you use trigonometric ratios to, I mean, like you use cos 60 degree is equal to A
AP by OP.
AP, yes ma'am, AP by OP.
Adjusting
And
by
cos
hypotenuse. 1 by 2 is equal to AP by OP. Cross multiply. OP is equal to 2AP. 2. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? 18th one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
19th one? ABC is isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC. COR is the in circle of the triangle ABC touching BC at L. Easy. These are all 1 mark questions. This is L. This point we can consider as M, N. Isosceles triangle. So AB is equal to AC as well as AM is equal to AN. Reason?
And tangents from A.
Tangents from A. Consider that as X. Now AB minus AM is equal to AC minus AN. So AB minus AM is
MB.
MB.
is equal to AC minus AN is
NC.
CN. So now this is equal to this side. Now BM is equal to
PL.
and CN is equal to CL. Tangents from B and C. And therefore from 1 and 2 BL is equal to CL. That means L bisects BC. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any question? AB is the diameter of the circle. AC is a chord. Angle BAC is equal to 30 degrees. Then it is given a tangent at C intersect AB at point B. Tangent, so that means it is moving out. intersect AB at D, produce work should be there. Prove that BC and BD are equal. So join BC. This and this one is equal to each other. For that, consider this as O, center as O. Join OC. Now this is 30. So this angle will be
30 degrees.
30
degrees.
this will be 30. Now ACB will be
90 degrees.
an angle OCD
90 degrees.
that is also 90 degrees. The full angle is 90. Out of that, this is 30. So angle OCB is equal to
60.
it's 60 degrees. The full is 90. Out of that, one part is 30. So the remaining part will be 60. Now OCD is 90. So how much is OCBD? BCD?
30 degrees.
This is 30, right? Now this is 60. So this angle will be
60 degrees.
60. OC is equal to OB or full triangle. This is 30, full is 90. So this angle will be 60. If this is 60, so this angle will be
120.
120 degrees. This is 120, this is 30. So then this angle will be
30 degrees.
30 degrees. So in triangle BCD, angle C is 30, angle D is also 30. This means
BC is equals to BD.
BC is equal to BD. Right. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
We have to mention it properly one by one step. Done? Have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
21st, anyone has doubt? 21st one, anyone has doubt?
No, ma'am.
Prove that the perpendicular, 22nd, prove that the perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center of the circle. It's a perpendicular to the tangent. P. This is AB. QP is perpendicular to AB. We have to show that it is passing through center. O. Yes, who have done? Who has done this? Anyone? Yes or no? Yeah, Charan?
So we should assume one more line like from P to O dash.
Okay, P to O dash, right? Like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have actually we have to consider like this. Fine, O dash or make it like this one. So it is Q dash. Let it let suppose Q dash P. QP is not passing through center. So it is not passing through center. That means it is passing through something somewhere else. So we'll consider Q dash P, or QP is passing through another point O dash. It is imaginary line. We cannot consider Q dash. Q only. We'll consider this QP is passing through another point O dash, not through the center. Then, if it is not passing through the center, we have been given QPB is 90 degree. It is already given. So we are considering that it is not passing through center. QPB, QP not passing through center O. Let. So this means let it be through O dash. Let it be through O dash. So therefore angle Q O dash P, sorry, QPB is already given. So it is O dash P B is equal to 90. But we know that is OPB is 90 because OP is the radius of the point of contact. So what does this mean?
Ma'am, O dash PB and OPB must be coinciding.
So these two angles are equal and they are on the same side of line AB. Angles are on same side of AB and at point P. So this means
That they coincide.
O and O dash coincides. Therefore, PQ passes through O, that is center. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any third one? I think so. Everyone has done. One marker, that is. 24th one. Anyone has doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
22nd done.
Yes, ma'am.
24th, A is a point at a distance of 30 centimeter from center O of the circle of radius 5 centimeter. From O, A is a point at a distance of 13 centimeter. AP and AQ are the tangents to the circle at P and Q. AP and AQ are the tangents at P and Q. A tangent BC is drawn at point R, lying on the minor arc PQ, to intersect AP at B and AQ at C. So here at point R. They are not told R is on the OA exactly. It can be anywhere. Diagram is not shown. Perimeter of triangle ABC we have to calculate. Suppose it is here. This is not on line OA. It is somewhere. Because it is not told R is present on OA or not. So here what has to be done? This is 5. This is also 5. This is 90. This is 90. Now this is OA is 13 centimeter. OP is 5. So what is AP?
12 centimeter.
12 centimeter by Pythagoras theorem. The total AP is 12 centimeter. Now BP is equal to BR. Tangent from B as well as CQ is equal to CR. Tangent from C. Now this is X. X we can consider this as Y. Y. So perimeter of triangle ABC. So it is, what is AB distance then? This is equal to X and this is equal to Y we will consider. So what is AB distance then?
12 minus X.
12 minus X. AC is equal to
12 minus y.
12 minus Y and BC is equal to
X plus y.
plus Y. So perimeter of ABC is equal to AB plus BC plus AC. AB is 12 minus X. BC is X plus Y. AC is 12 minus Y. Minus X plus Y minus Y cancel. Answer is 24 centimeters. Clear? Is this question clear?
Yes, ma'am.
They have not told R is on point O, line OA. They have not mentioned. Mark that question. You have to revise this question. It is exemplar question. Simple question, but 25th one. Doubt?
No, ma'am.
No one has. 26th. Pythagoras theorem you have to use. Simple. 27.
I have to.
Yes, ma'am. I have to.
27th. 8.63. AB is a chord of the length. This is NCERT question. I told you that time only. This is the same question will be asked with double values.
It's 40 by 3, right?
Yeah, 40 by 3 is the answer. NCERT, I told you, the same question they have asked in the board exam again. This one. Similarity you have to use. Radius is given, chord of length 16 is given in the question asked in question, and in this question it is given 8 and radius is 10. Here it is 5. Same question, double value. Can you solve, both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Remember the questions in this chapter at least. 28, anyone doubt? 28, 29, 30. Anyone has any doubts? Or all solved?
Mom, I haven't 29.
29. Last time also you only asked the 29 question. When we were solving at the beginning, first time. In figure 8.65, BDC is a tangent to a circle at point D such that BD is 30, CD is 7. The two tangents B and CF are drawn from B and C to the circle meet at this one. BAC is right triangle. Okay, AF. This is the same as the last but one question. That's Heron formula question we have solved in NCERT. Similar question. B, D, C, E, F. This is A. This is right triangle, so it is 90. This is 30. This is 7. So this is 7. This is 30. Find AF. This and this distance you have to calculate. And radius of the circle. This is X. This is X. So here, draw perpendicular. This is draw perpendicular. So these are all. OEAF is a. It's a square because all angles are 90. Adjacent angles sides are equal. That means it is a square. That means radius. These all values are equal. So radius is X. Or consider radius as R. So this will be also R. This will be also R. Right. Now use the same formula. Area of triangle ABC by normal method you can calculate, as well as area of triangle ABC by dividing it into 3 parts. That
Ma'am, is it 5 centimeters?
How much?
5 centimeters.
Check the answer box. 29. Yes, 5 centimeters. So area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle AOB plus area of triangle BOC plus area of triangle AOC. Area of triangle ABC is half into perpendicular sides. So half into AC and AB. That is equal to half into radius R into AOB, so AB, plus half into R into BC plus half into R into AC. So what is AB and AC? Half everywhere get cancelled. Half into R. AB plus BC plus AC is equal to half into AC value. AC value is 7 plus R. And this is 30 plus R. So this half and this half get cancelled. 7 plus R into 30 plus R is equal to R into AB is 30 plus R. BC is 37 plus 7 plus R. So it is 37 plus 37, 74 plus 2R into R is equal to, we have to solve this, 210 plus 37R plus R square, 74R plus 2R square, R square, 37R plus 210. So this is equal to R square. Everything we will bring on this side, plus 37R minus 210. This is equal to 73 is 35, 2 is 3 is 5, 7, 2, 3, 10, 21, no. 5 3 is 15, 7 2 is 14. No. 37. Have I done some mistake?
42.5, ma'am.
R plus 42, R minus 5 is equal to 0. So R is equal to minus 42 or 5. Negative number not possible. So R is equal to 5. And even AF is also 5. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. Done. 29th one. Next question. 30th. Any doubt in 30th question? Anyone has a doubt in 30th?
No, ma'am.
No. Then 31st one. Try solving. Given circle. PQ and PR are drawn from external point P to a circle with center O. This is a straight line. P, R, Q. R is parallel to PQ. This line and this line is parallel. R, P, Q is 30. This angle is 30 degrees. A chord RS is drawn parallel to tangent PQ. Find angle RQS. Join this. RQS. This angle we have to calculate. This is center O. Anyone can try? Shreya, can you try?
Mom,
Yes, Shreya.
angle RPQ is 30 degrees and PRQ and PQR are 75 degrees.
Okay. So this full angle is 75. This full angle is 75. Okay.
Mom, then SQ is equal to QR.
SQ is equal to QR. Why?
Mom,
They're not told.
SRQ is equal to RQP, alternating to
Okay. So this is 75. Further. Further, what to do?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yeah, Rama.
Ma'am, ROQ is 150 degrees.
ROQ. This is 150 degrees.
So
Supplementary angles. These two are supplementary angles. So this is 30. So this is 150. Yes. Therefore,
QR is equals to 15 degrees. OQR and ORQ.
why you are going for that? Not either that much. This is 150. That means what is this angle?
75 degrees.
75 degrees. Then full triangle. Full triangle. This is 75. This angle is 75. So this angle will be
30 degrees.
75 plus 75, 150. So remaining is 30 degrees. So RQS is 30 degrees.
How is angle QS are 75?
Last year property angle made by
Okay, ma'am, understood. That's double in the center. Yes, ma'am.
at the center it is double. At any point on the circle made by the same arc is half of the center angle. Center angle is 150. So that angle QSR is 75 degrees. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Go for the next one then. 32nd one. It's easy, you can solve. 32nd, 33rd. Try. All those are easy questions. Everyone.
Ma'am, the 32nd one is 100 degree.
Okay. Switch on your video. Start solving. 32nd, 33rd. Done. Rona completed. 33rd one.
Yes, ma'am.
34th, 35, 36. Continue. If anyone has a doubt, ask me.
Ma'am, for the 32nd one, I prove congruency of the two triangles.
30?
Third one.
Yeah, congruency you have to prove. The trigonometry you have to use it here also.
Ma'am, 34th one is 8 centimeter, ma'am.
3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 7, 11. 5 plus
I got 6 centimeters.
6, 6, 6. AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC form you have to use. 6 centimeters answer. You have to use that theorem, that question you have solved. Sum of opposite sides are equal. AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC.
Yes, ma'am, got it, ma'am.
How do you do the 35th?
The common tangents AB and CD of two circles with center O and O dash intersect at E between their centers. Okay, between their centers. OE, O dash are collinear. Same figure as 36th one. Figure is same, 36th. They're intersecting at point E, which is between two centers they have told. So that means they are intersecting here, E. So we have to draw the two common tangents like this, cross. This is AB This is CD. We have to prove that OE, O dash are collinear. Okay. So AB and CD are two intersecting points, two intersecting lines. So therefore, this angle and this angle is equal, vertically opposite angle, as well as this angle and this angle is also equal. Right? Now, this one, AEO and OEC are equal angles. This angle and this angle is equal, considered as X and X. Reason?
And the triangles will be congruent.
Triangles are congruent. OAE and OCE. Triangles are congruent, therefore AEO and OEC angles are equal. So this is X and X. Similarly, when you join O dash D and O dash B, these angles are also equal, considered as Y and Y. And this is Z and this is Z, vertically opposite angles. So therefore 2x plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 360. This one, angle around the center is 360. So x plus z plus y plus y plus z is equal to 360. So 2x plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 360. So x plus y plus z is equal to 180. So x plus z plus y is 180. So this means clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Write in the question number for homework. The remaining ones I will solve next class. 36th one, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42 also, 43 also, then till 43, and then 51 and 52.
Ma'am, so after 43, it's 51 and 52.
Yeah, 43. After 43, it is 48. I'm not told, no? 51. Yes, 51, 52.
So is 48 there?
No, no, no. I will solve that. Remaining questions I will solve next class, Friday. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
That's answer. It's already 6:12.